Hi everyone. This is a quick video to demonstrate how to use our Casio calculators to solve this question from our revision worksheet. So we have a function there, it's a cubic function, and we've been asked to sketch the function and we're allowed to use technology to help. So if you just take a look here, I've entered the function onto my calculator and I press F6 to draw. Now sometimes the view window isn't set up nicely, so you control the view window here with F3. You can set it to the initial values of the view window. There's default values. If you want to, you can then change just the y-axis limits or the x-axis limits. This looks pretty good so far. Now, what are the key points I need to know? Well, probably the first thing is I want to know the roots of the equation. So F5 here for gsolve, and then F1 for the roots. It identifies the first one here when x equals 1, right arrow to get the next one, x equals 3, and then right arrow again for the third one. So I've noted those using the graphing app, and then I've said which options I've selected, and I've written down the three roots. In a very similar way, I can find the maximum, so gsolve again, then maximum, and it identifies the local maximum here, and I've written this down, rounded to 2 decimals. I can find the local minimum in a similar way. There it is, 4.15 and minus 3.08. And lastly, I can find the y-intercept. So even though the y-intercept isn't on the screen, it's down below, it still calculates it out for me. So I've noted the key points. This is what I would show if this was an exam question. That's the evidence I would show. It did say technology was allowed, so I'm not expected to work this all out manually. I'm expected to do this on the calculator, and then when I draw a sketch, I have labelled each of the key points. Now, there's the intercept. I drew the thing to scale. Each of these grid squares represents 1 unit, but it's a sketch. So a sketch wouldn't have to be drawn to scale. It would just have to show the general shape. As long as you label the x, the y axis, and you mark and label the key points, you've done the job. Okay, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching.